Hello and welcome to Easy Blender channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this or this. Okay, let's get started. First you have to add any object. Then you have to activate Cell Fracture add-on from Edit and Preferences. Search for Cell Fracture. If you don't have this add-on, you must download it from website. Let's activate it. Now select the object and go to Object menu. And from Quick Effects, select Cell Fracture. This number increases the detail. Just to make it simple as possible, we don't change anything here. So press OK. OK, deselect the object and click on Object. We have to delete the original object. Now click anywhere on the object. Then select all the bits carefully. Go to Object menu and from Rigid Body, select Add Active. Now add a plane to act as a ground. Scale it up. Click on the plane and go to Object menu and from Rigid Body, select Add Passive. Now press space. Our object is shattered. Now for making an object explode, you have to do a few more steps. Select one bit and go to Physics Properties. Check Deactivation. And check here Start Deactivated. To select the bit, then select all the bits. Go to Object, Rigid Body, and click on Copy from Active. Now we need a force to explode our object. Press Shift A and select Force Field. Put the force in the center of object. Increase the number of strength here. Let's give it 4000. Now press space. If you decrease the number, the object explodes slower. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.